Co-prime numbers. Children, today we are going to see what are co-prime numbers. What do you mean by co-prime numbers? And for that, first we are going to see the definition of co-prime numbers. Here, any two numbers which have only one as their common factor are called co-prime numbers. We will take 21 and 22, these two numbers, as an example. We will check whether these two numbers are co-prime to each other or not. And for that, we have to consider all the factors of 21 first. So children, here we got first pair, that 121 ones are 21. And second pair we got 3 into 7. So we will list out these factors, that is 1, 3, 7 and 21. Then we will list all the factors of 22. So first pair is 1 into 22, then second pair is 11. After 2, we will find out for 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We will check by divisibility test. We will check all the numbers divisibility test. And we got 22 is not divisible by these numbers. So 11, yes, by 11, 22 is divisible. So we will stop this process, and here we list out all the numbers, that is 1, 2, 11, 22. After that, we will find out common factor. Now, what do you mean by common factor? The numbers which are present in the list of 21's factors and the list of 22's factors. And here we got only one number, that is 1. That's why common factor is 1. And from the definition, if only 1 is the common factor, then these two numbers are co-prime numbers. And therefore, 21 and 22 are the co-prime numbers. Now, we are going to see some properties of co-prime numbers. Let us see the properties. First property, that is 1, is the co-prime with every number. So, if we consider here some pairs, first pair is 1 and 2, second pair is 1 and 4, third pair is 1 and 3, fourth pair is 1 and 5. Here children, factors of 1 is only 1. So, let us try to write down factors of 2. As 2 is the prime number, the factors are 1 and 2. Here in second pair, before that we will consider the common factor of first pair, that is 1 and 2 is only 1. So we are getting only 1 as a common factor, means first pair is co-prime number. In second pair, that is 1 and 4, here also we got the common factor is 1. And that's why 1 and 4 both are the co-prime numbers. Now in third pair, again we got only 1 as the common factor. That's why third pair, that is 1 and 3, these two numbers are also co-prime numbers. Let us check now in fourth pair, that is 1 and 5. Here also we got only 1 as the common factor. That's why fourth pair is also co-prime numbers. Now from these we can say 1 is the co-prime number with every number. Now we will see property number 2. Here any two prime numbers are co-prime numbers to each other. Let us consider the two prime numbers, that is 5 and 7. And to check whether they are co-prime, we have to consider the factors of 5. As 5 is the prime number, the factors are 1 and 5 only. Now the factors of 7. As 7 is also prime number, the factors are 1 and 7 only. If we try to find out common factor, then only one number we will get here, that is 1. And from this we can say that 5 and 7, these two numbers are co-prime to each other. So children, you can think or you can find out by taking any other two prime numbers and just find out the factors of that and find it out whether they are co-prime or not. Now we will see property number 3. Here we have to consider any two numbers which are successive numbers or the consecutive numbers. First we will consider 2 and 3. 2 and 3 both are successive numbers or consecutive numbers. Now let us check whether it is co-prime number or not. So for that we have to consider the factors of 2, that is 1 and 2 because 2 is the prime number, and the factors of 3, that is 1 and 3 because 3 is again prime number. But children, you can take any number, even composite number you can take here. But in this case we got common factor is 1. So that means 2 and 3 are the co-prime numbers. So any two consecutive numbers or successive numbers are the co-prime numbers. You can check for the successive numbers, that is 3 and 4. This pair also you can check, and 5 and 6. Means any consecutive numbers are co-prime. Let us go for property number 4. That is the sum of any two co-prime numbers are always co-prime and with their product. Now let us consider the pair 2 and 3. Here first we will consider the sum, means 2 plus 3, that is 5. Now we are going to see the product, and for that we need to multiply 2 into 3 and we got 6. And we are going to see now the sum, that is 5, and the product 6. These two numbers are always co-prime numbers, and to check this thing we have to consider the factors of 5 and the factors of 6. After that we will check whether the common factor is only one number. So first factors of 5 is 1 and 5, as this is the prime number. Then we will consider the factors of 6, as 6 is not the prime number, 6 is the composite number. That's why the factors are 1, 2, 3, 6. Here we got the common factor is only 1. That means 5 and 6 is the co-prime numbers, and 5 is the sum and 6 is the product. That means if you are taking any two co-prime numbers, then their sum and products are also co-prime numbers. Now children, we are going to see property number 5. Here two even numbers can never form a co-prime pair. Let us consider 2 and 4. Both these numbers are even numbers. And to check whether they are co-prime numbers or non-co-prime numbers, we have to consider the factors of 2. Here we got the factors of 2 is 1 and 2, as 2 is the prime number. So factors of 4, 1, 2 and 4, because 4 is the composite number. And if we find out the common factor, then we got here 1 and 2. So here we got 2 as common factors. That means 2 and 4 are not the co-prime numbers. So children, I hope property number 5 is clear to you. And even one more thing we should pay attention, that all the even numbers are divisible by 2. That means if you are taking any two even numbers, these are non-co-prime numbers. Let us see now property number 6. If two numbers have their unit digit 0 or 5, then they are not co-prime numbers. For example, we will take 20 and 25, these two numbers. So here in 20, 0 is at unit place, and in 25, 5 is at unit place. So these both numbers are divisible by 5. And to check whether they are co-prime or not co-prime numbers, we have to consider the factors of 20. Here 20 is the composite number, that's why the factors are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Now let us consider the factors of 25, that is 1, 5 and 25. Children, here if we find out the factors, common factors, then 1 and 5 means 2 common factors we are getting here. That means these two numbers are non-co-prime numbers, because these two numbers are divisible by 5 also. That's why these two numbers are not co-prime numbers. And so we can write down 20 and 25 are not co-prime numbers. So children, today we have seen what are the co-prime numbers and their properties. And I hope you learn these things very clearly. Thank you.